Ka Education Subcommittee jong ka War Jaintia Students Union hakalai potrik jemang kalapun kudno ya ka jingai jinghikai jong ka wat ka beningkong ka bene arsni na ka bentaki nonghikai ka thain War Jaintia ka batip kum ka training session first edition ha War Jaintia Church of God Secondary School Lat Japlem Amlarem Civil Subdivision Kiriu Shampang ki balawan ban aji hikai kilong na po ka school ba Ikfa University Meghalaya Shillong Ya kini kejing aji hikai lapli da Ishan Gupta IPS Additional Superintendent of Police West Jaintia Hills District ha kajing don lang uma H Comfort Star Lamin Gasa in charge Subdivisional School Education Officer Amlarem Civil Subdivision u Principal ka War Jaintia Church of God Secondary School ma Hastings Roy Kharkongor na lor kiwe. Ya kajing lang ka balapan yai da uma Alban ke gash nga Chief Advisor ka seng Bat laya shimenta hadut san pongut kinohikai na kakerdan lower primary bat upper primary school. Hakas ni Pynkut lasam sernot syabaro kinohikai da u Everest Langstang General Secretary ka WJSU na lor kiwe de kid khot kaseng. Ka WJSU kala pentip ba kawat ka baar jong ka jing aji hikai kan long ha ukalaling kot arhajar arhundriu. Kiwe de kibala ajing kren kilong ka Congressful A Potmi Education Secretary kaseng bat lapan waya ka jingalang daki kentin kublay na Senior Vice President kaseng Otom Sumer.
Adab, Sat Shri Akal. To the teachers here present here, they are the backbones of our nation, of the country that India aspires to be, of taking not just Meghalaya but the nation and the world forward. So first of all, a huge round of applause for all of you. Now I can safely, after breaking the protocol, I can now welcome and thank the dignitaries. SDSU sir, thank you. The War Jaintia Students Union principal sir, the organizers, and of course the faculty who have come from ICFI University. It's an honor for me personally. I am fairly young on this circuit of government service. It's been 2.5, close to 3 years working on the ground in Meghalaya. I am a 21 batch IPS officer, 2021. And it was not very long ago that I passed out of school and college. I graduated in 2015. And there has been a very critical role of teachers in all our lives. For whatever we are, we would have been nothing if it was not for good teachers at some points or the other. I remember many anecdotes from my life. I have been a very notorious student throughout my school life, doing all sorts of naughty things, doing pranks and stuff. And it was our teachers who kept us, who took the effort to keep us on the right track. And I remember my school teacher, it was class 5 and her name was Manisha. And I'm very close to her. I'm still in touch with her. It's been almost 20 years that she taught us. And she was the one, so she was the first one who made me the class monitor. It's usually said that make the naughty students the class monitor and they'll manage not just themselves but the entire section. So what I'm trying to stress upon is the effort that teachers take to shape us. Many of us are mostly directionless in our lives. Our parents are very simple people. We come from middle classes, lower middle classes. So it is usually the teacher who guides us. As it is said that a directionless boat reaches nowhere. So the role of giving us direction is the sole role of the teacher. She is the guide, she or he, they are the guides, they are the mentors. And they keep us grounded and rooted in the direction, keeping the goalpost intact. I'm very happy to see that such trainings are being organized for the teachers. Specifically, a lot of focus is there on students usually in our education system, but the teachers somehow are left a little neglected. Another aspect which really pains my heart and many of our hearts is
as teacher SDCO as well as block mission coordinator. We also from the government we are giving this type of training in these different areas. The training actually was conducted by the DIAP, the Federal Educational Training from Shillong. This has entrusted this training to the DIAP, District Institute of Nurse Training. But we are glad to know that this organization or association is also taking part in imparting training to the teachers of this subdivision, which is very welcome from the side of from the government as well as from the office of SDSO, so that our teachers get updated with the new methodology or with the new skill or with the new technology. We are living in the new world, which we have to update ourselves. Many senior teachers, when they meet me, they told we are outdated.